Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to stop people from adding you to unwanted group in WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you click on groups. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on my contacts. So it's going to take you right here. Now you have to switch from everyone to my contact or my contact except some certain people. So if you choose my contact, it simply means that only people you have in your contact list will be able to add you to any groups on WhatsApp. But if you select my contact except, so you will need to select some of the contacts from your WhatsApp contact that you don't want these certain people to add you to WhatsApp group. So select the number of contacts as much as possible right here and you are good to go. Or better still, simply leave it in my contact. So this simply means that if anybody going to add you to any group, you'll be able to know the people, unlike unwanted people that they just add you to random group on WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.